Hello, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explore the concept of cost-benefit analysis. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what cost-benefit analysis is, and how it is applied in various real-life situations. So, what is cost-benefit analysis, or CBA? Cost-benefit analysis is a systematic approach, used to evaluate the pros and cons of a decision or project. It involves comparing the total costs of an action or project against the total benefits it provides. In essence, cost-benefit analysis helps individuals, businesses, and governments make informed choices by weighing the potential gains against the expenses involved. How cost-benefit analysis works. Cost-benefit analysis typically involves several key steps. 1. Identifying the decision. The first step is to identify the decision or project that needs to be evaluated. This could be anything from a government policy to a personal investment. 2. Listing costs and benefits. Next, all the relevant costs and benefits are listed. Costs could include expenses like labor, materials, or maintenance, while benefits might involve increased revenue, improved quality of life, or environmental benefits. 3. Monetizing costs and benefits. To compare different factors, everything is converted into a common unit, usually money. This helps ensure an apples-to-apples comparison. 4. Time adjustment. Costs and benefits occurring at different times in the future are adjusted for their present value. This takes into account that money received or spent in the future is worth less than money today. 5. Comparing costs and benefits. The total cost is compared to the total benefit. If benefits outweigh costs, the project is considered viable. If costs exceed benefits, it might be time to reconsider. Applications of cost-benefit analysis. Cost-benefit analysis is widely used in various fields, including government decision-making. Governments use cost-benefit analysis to assess the impacts of policies, such as healthcare reforms, infrastructure projects, or environmental regulations. Business investments. Companies employ cost-benefit analysis to determine whether a new product, marketing campaign, or expansion is financially sound. Environmental assessments. Cost-benefit analysis is a crucial tool for evaluating the environmental impact of projects, like renewable energy installations or conservation efforts. Personal finance. Individuals can use cost-benefit analysis to evaluate personal financial decisions, like buying a car, a house, or investing in education. In conclusion, cost-benefit analysis is a powerful tool that helps us make well-informed choices by weighing the potential benefits against the costs involved in a decision or project. It is a crucial concept in economics and has a wide range of applications in both the public and private sectors. Thank you for watching. If you found this information valuable, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more educational content on various important topics. Your support is greatly appreciated.